life. Hey, Madala. I have no idea how to get out here, guys. Yeah, so now this is a no-go zone here. Everybody wants brine food. Brine is barbecuing, guys. Alright, guys. We are in Langa. Let's take a drive. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how Langa looks. Trees look nice here. The buildings looks nice here. Just looks very nice here. People say there's shacks and stuff here. I don't see the shacks. Don't see the shacks at all. Langa looks like Beverly Hills with this trees and stuff like that. Look how it looks nice. There's artwork, there's benches. Nah, guys, this community must look lekker, man. Clean, very clean here in Langa. Very clean. Very clean. A lot of people hanging out outside. Some of those people don't look right, guys. So two crackheads there on the corner. But so far this community looks nice. Very clean. Very clean. Fields is not that bad. This is Langa for you guys. Langa. I don't know where I am right now, to be honest. A lot of people. It's very active here and stuff. A lot of businesses here. But it's very clean. Look, here's white people. Crazy. White people in Langa. That is crazy. They won't go to Wynberg and Bellville, but they'll come to Langa. There's your traders here in front, selling like stuff they make, artworks. Yeah. There's a library over there. This place looks nice, guys. I'm not joking about that. Here's the police station. Still in shock about seeing the white people in Langa. There's really a misconception about Langa, to be honest, from what I'm seeing. It's clean, it's quite artsy. Police is around, like the station is here. This is like the roofs they've given the people to stand under. There's cars standing around, no car guards. Looks like there's a lot of order here. There's some plants going on. It's a church. It's a bit too early for this two girlies to be walking around in school uniforms, but okay, maybe they're not feeling well. I don't know where the hell I am right now. I'm just driving around in Langa. Very nice, guys. Very impressed with Langa. There's Langa High School. Langa's train station is here somewhere. This is that Amapelas. They take you from spot to spot. There's a police thing going on here, guys. There's a police thing going on here. Wonder what's going on. Never know unless someone on the comment what's happening there. Okay, Siyabulela Primary on the right. This is Aramakwe Dinana Street, Road Street. Ziabila Taste and Bud Shark. It's the shop I'm seeing here. Langa Distributions. Here is a garage, Estron Garage. King Langa Libalele, that's the road's name. There's a circle, a roundabout. Let's just see what's down here. Places, the roads is quite clean here, to be honest with you. This guy's just driving at his own speed here, in the middle of the road. It's crazy of you, guy. Crazy of you. So yeah, this looks more like a shopping hub here where we are right now. There's a lot of cars. Still, the streets are super clean. Zation 2, Black Label. So this looks like they're selling alcohol and stuff. I see there's a lot of Bangladeshis and Pakistanis here, so they feel safe to trade here, guys. They feel safe to trade here. That's good. So this is your main street. This is how Langa looks, guys. This is how Langa looks. All the kids. It's 11 AM. I don't know. Maybe they're writing exams. Maybe they're writing exams. Just walking in the road here. Live reporting from Langa, guys. Some of you have never seen Langa in your whole life. Hey, Madala. I have no idea how to get out here, guys. Yeah, so now this is a no-go zone here. Everybody wants brine food. Brine is barbecuing, guys. Yeah, it's just... If anybody knows how to get out here, please let me know. I have no idea how to get out here. I just see Table Mountain over there. Okay, a lot of people on the side of the roads, they're laying the clothing out, second-hand clothing on the side of the road, and they're selling it. Here's beanies for sale, here's irons, here's oranges, here's, looks like fake Crocs, there's a boxer store, there's a cute baby, a lot of clothing. It's a busy place, guys, and it's the morning, eh? It's in the week in the morning, so there's quite the hub here, quite the hub. Yeah, if anybody can help us, tell us where we went wrong here with the roads and stuff. I don't know how the hell to get out of it, to be honest. So you do your research. What I do know is that Langa was on one time the murder capital of South Africa. The murder capital. Like it took the trophy, the #1 trophy was the most killings. That's what I know about Langa, but it was years ago, man. That's what I remember. It was years ago. Yeah. Looks different now. Looks very different. I would actually say it looks safe to walk here. Safer to walk here than what area was bad that I went into. I think a Nova Park. A Nova Park isn't a place I would actually walk, to be honest. Yeah, I feel like I'll walk here. No, I don't have to get out here. Okay, let's see if we can go out this way. You see all the bags here, the blue bags? That's council, municipality bags, where they clean up dirt and stuff. Yo, look at this, it's quite a nice house here on the right. This guy in a wheelchair. I see the people is quite fashionable here. Like they like their caps, they like their Cavella shoes, their skinny jeans, you know, they classy blazer. They like that. They like that. There's looks like a train station coming up here, guys. Looks like a train station. There's a shop right. Yeah, here's a train station, guys. still don't know how to get out of here, but okay. Is it the train station? Yeah, there's the train. There's the train in front. The field is, it's clean compared to other places. Clean. Nice and clean. Trees are nice. It's like they have order here. There's not like a group of guys hanging around in a corner. It looks like there isn't a gang mentality here. What I can say is that like compared to your Khaled, Cape Flats areas, those places are, I wouldn't say the crime is known for drugs and selling drugs and that stuff. But here, what I can say, the crime here is like extortion, taxi violence. That is what's there. That is their buzz here, the criminality. There's a lot of taxi murders and taxi wars and stuff. Do you research on Cape Town's taxi gang, taxi violence? That's a real thing, guys. It's a very real thing. And extortion, it's bad here in Cape Town. Very bad. But as far as drugs and stuff is concerned, you don't really hear about that in Langa and these places.